Hello, everyone. Hello, lovely people. Thank you for stopping by Creative Events International. Today, I'm making a very quick fascinator using crinoline. So, my tutorials is going to involve using this molded base because I will need it, and because the molded base is not the color that I want, I would like to rewrap to the color I want. I'm going to be working with all white, so I don't need red. So I'm just going to turn it to white, okay, and then I'll do my work. So once again, you are welcome to Creative Ends International. If today is the first time that you are discovering me, you are welcome. Please don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. And of course, if you feel you have questions about what I have trained on that you are not too clear about, drop it on the comment section, and immediately I see it, I will respond to you as soon as possible. So let's go to the tutorials. So right away, I'm starting with covering of the base. So the material that I am using right now is a suede material. I cut out two separate parts, one to cover the front and then the other one to cover the inside. And to do that, I am using a liquid glue. It's not advisable that you work with hot glue when you are doing this nature of job. It's best if you can use your liquid glue. So I'm working with liquid glue. Okay, so I'm working with liquid glue. Okay, so we have this, it's covered. I'm just using the hot glue to finish the edge to make sure that it is smooth enough for me to cover. Okay, so normally this style of fascinator I am making, most people make it just using hairband without having to use the cap, but I like it when I sit it on a molded cap. It comes out better, I don't know, but I just like it that way anyway. So you start by tying the edge of your crinoline, and by the way, the yard of crinoline I'm using, the measurement is 4 yards. So when you are done tying the edge, again I said the measurement of crinoline is 4 yards. So when you are done tying the edge, you just use your loose stitches to work around it. Just do some loose stitches around it like that, okay, and then you pull it together like this so that it will be able to form a good circle when you join it together. And apart from the fact that it will form a good circle, it's also going to look full enough rather than using 2 yards. 3 yards is okay, but I don't really advise. So you can use 2 yards, so but I don't advise it. It's not going to look full enough, so I prefer using at least 3.5 or 4 yards. So just pull it together, check it to see how you check your flow. So assuming you don't want it to be as full as I have or as big as the one I have, then you work with 3 inches. It's going to come out well for you. So you can see how I manipulated the feathers to be able to create the kind of flow or circular look I want. So after doing this, I would be pulling the other feather I want to use one by one. I will pull it one by one and begin to insert it using hot glue. So normally this process takes a little time because pulling feathers one by one and inserting it one by one takes time, and everyone that fell off from this work I'm doing now, I will pick them and then I'm going to use hot glue to sit them back properly on the feather so that I can have a very full feather flow. So actually, for the filling of the feathers, you are supposed to spend enough time to do it. You pull it one by one and begin to arrange. So after doing that, we go ahead and attach elastic to the back of this cap, because without attaching the elastic to the back, there will be nothing to help it sit properly on the head. All right. So now it's not compulsory that you finish arranging all your feathers or designs before you go ahead to fix the elastic. Of course, you can fix the elastic on the cap even without design before you start to design it, because sometimes while you lay it down like that, you might be destroying what you have done. All right, so that's just it. After that, we go ahead and cover it with the 1 inch elastic, and then after that we are ready. All right, so thank you so very much for stopping by Creative Ends International. I will see you in my next video. Bye.